Hi, I'm Rizka. Today I will explain how to convert Excel format to PRN format, which is a format that can be used in RAM 2030 software. Okay, in RAM 2030 software, so first we prepare the raw data. Let's assume this is the score of students in the class. Okay, for the first column, this ID is the student's ID. Then there is a gender column. Then there is a column for question number 1 to number 15. Okay, if we look here, question number 1 to question number 10 have two answers. That is 1 and 0, right? Then for question number 11 to 15, there are three types of answers. That is 0, 1, and 2. Well, in RAM, there should not be anything named like female, male, or others. We have to code them. Then the ID is allowed, but the condition is that it must have the same number of characters. So there's like SO1, SO2, not just S1, S2. Then here there is S15. Then this is 3 characters. For example, if we name it S1, we give it 0 between, so the number of the character is the same. Because RAM cannot read male and female, then we have to encode it. Okay, how to do it? We just block the column, and then we select the filter in the top right corner. Then this is the filter. Well, there is a small triangle. We click. Well, just choose female first. Okay, we code the text filter equal, then use or. We select equals again, and then triangle, we click female, and then code 1. Okay, so click tab number 1, then we enter, then we pull the corner down. Well, we have successfully encoded female into number 1. Now we encode male. Now we select the male. We uncheck the one that beside male, and then we select as before. Yes, tag filter equal or equal. We select here male, then type the number 2, and whether you want, okay, use the same way. Click type 2 and then drop down. Well, now we display everything by selecting all. Okay, select all. Okay, now the gender is coded. To protect our original data, let's just copy it. Then we open a new page in Excel. Okay, Control C. We put Control A, Control C here, and then Control V. I'm sorry. Okay, just copy and paste. Also, we have to delete this title because RAM cannot process it. We delete. Okay, that's it. We copy, Control A, Control C. Now we will create a new Excel. Click File, New, Control V. Okay, now how do we remove the spaces between the cells? Because in RAM there should be no spaces between data. How to do it? Let's click outside. Okay, we click outside the data, then we Control A. Okay, then here is the final column. between Q and R. We put our cursor between Q and R, then we double click. Well, here is it. It's okay, done, right? Then we just save the file, save rows. Well, I suggest you guys create 2 different folders. Why 2? One is the data we mentioned earlier, which is for input, and the other is data generated by RAM. Okay, we click on the input folder. Okay, let's title the dataset 1. Dataset 1. Okay, why should the placement of the folder be clear? To make it easier for us when we operate RAM. Okay. So we choose the type of Excel workbook. Well, PRN is this. Don't forget the text space this one, space delimited. We click OK. Let's save it. Okay, now let's check our data. Okay, I was here earlier. Okay, we already have the PRN dataset. Now, if we already have this data, we can immediately process it in RAM 2030. The next video is how to run RAM 2030. Thank you. I hope it's useful. Bye-bye.